Baker. Kenneth Baker.
Well, it's Caitlin Dubberly.
Oh, Kenneth Baker.
Okay. She'd be okay with that. Pretty sure she would.
She actually asked Stacy if she could.
Yeah. Hey, Jake. Who's Daddy?
Daddy Baker.
Yay, Daddy.
Yay! Yay!
Daddy Baker.
Yeah!
Who's that?
Give me that phone.
Huh?
Who's this?
What?
This is Brad Baker.
That Baker.
Jake, who is this?
Who did this? Oh, this is a picture.
Yeah, it is. It's Mama.
Here.
I'm so glad I'm off.
Here's the cheese, Mars. Cheese.
Cheek. Good job, buddy. Good job.